¿Son sus hijos?
Nunca pensé que me iba a tocar vivir eso.
Lately it's been 3 to 4 hours.
Not having a paper changes everything.
Who's gonna want to wake up at 3:30 in the morning? I got a full-time job and I volunteer in the morning before work, drop the refugee to the airport and do this over again every day, Monday to Sunday. Just barely woke up from a nap. I'm going to work right now.
I live in Juárez, but I cross every day because I'm studying my major of journalism in the University of Texas at El Paso. If President Trump did decide to close the border, I think it would affect a lot this community. I'm not going to be able to finish my studies. I usually drive every day back and forth to go to school. There's more migrants, and with President Trump saying that he was going to close the border and everything being like uncertain, when he started taking some of the CBPs away for the Lions, that's when we really started to see a difference.
We're at the bridge. I'm doing the line to cross to El Paso.
Lately it's been 3 to 4 hours.
Tengo una hora de espera.
2 hours.
4 horas, a veces se recalienta demasiado el carro, hay demasiada contaminación.
Los migrantes que vienen del sur.
The officers that work here at the border, they're being transferred to other part of the country. Suddenly you see like this change in the border.
We basically receive a text from ICE letting us know how many refugees are going to be released. Like today, they were released 721. We receive daily 60 refugees. They're either sick due to the fact that they're in a place that is kind of cold, running fevers, a cold, or they have stomach problems. From Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador people, that they come here to our church with legal documents from immigration where they've been through a process to make sure that they're not criminals, where they could come into the state temporarily, where they could reach their family members.
Aquí en El Paso, Texas, nada más hay un aeropuerto. Un año. Estamos preparando unos frijoles y arroz.
Aquí estamos en un albergue. A cambio de lo que vivíamos allá en la cárcel, pues aquí vivimos bien. Ellos nos dieron ropa porque veníamos sin ropa. El desayuno, el almuerzo y la cena, pues ahí mira uno qué come. Se abre a las 7 de la mañana la puerta y se cierra a las 5. El que entró, y si no, pues se queda afuera. Me imagino que ha de haber peligro. Mi sobrina tiene 12 años de que no mira a sus hijos. Ella me pidió de favor que se los llevara. Pasamos hacia el otro lado, pero ya nos estaban esperando los de la migra. Nos separaron con mi sobrino. Me dijeron que prácticamente ellos venían solos, porque no eran nada mío, que no tuvieran miedo, que se agarraran los tres de la mano, le dije yo. No cabía la gente ahí, fue donde decidieron sacarnos a todos y mandarnos para acá.
Currently, I'm working for Borderscene. Borderscene allows you to do stories either in Spanish or in English. We get to see like both sides of the border. I've been here living like 21 years and I've never seen so many immigrants coming. A lot of people here in the community, especially from Juárez, are a little bit more aggressive toward the immigrants because they're disrupting like the city because we don't have the infrastructure to kind of support the amount of people that's coming in. I think that when someone like migrates, there needs to be something really bad happening back home. Because the travel they do, they don't have water, there's a lot of heat, they need to walk for days, for weeks, for months. Not having a paper changes everything.
Suck. So currently in the El Paso sector, we are averaging approximately 700 individuals being detained on a daily basis.
4180 Bravo, show 157.
Oh, look. Did they walk up to you? Guatemala también, ustedes, papá, hijo, vienen juntos, Guatemala, ¿son sus hijos? they just crossed and turned themselves into this Border Patrol agent, father, daughter, father, son. Our facilities, Border Patrol, we were never built to house family units as we're seeing now. So it's a huge challenge for us, not only in our facilities, but as far as the agents and the supplies and the care.
My name is Cynthia Pompa and I work as the advocacy manager at the Border Rights Center. We simply walk across to Juárez, to Mexico, and observe what is happening. Are there migrants or asylum seekers arriving and are being told to turn away? Who is telling them? What are they being told?
This is a new stretch of the border wall that was funding during Trump administration.
A young migrant girl showed up to present herself at a port of entry and was told by a CBP official that she needed to go back and find a Mexican agent and get herself on a list. She was really confused and lost. I saw a young boy who showed up by himself to request asylum. And what is unlawful is how CBP is standing in the middle of the international bridges, right on the international line, and turning away asylum seekers.
Mirando porque mirando se va a quedar y ellos lo van a disfrutar.
Aquí venimos cuando ya se ha terminado todo el proceso de migración estadounidense, donde te dicen si te aceptan el proceso y lo puedes pelear en una corte dentro de Estados Unidos. Estás casi 3 días sin bañarte, sin poderte cepillar la boca. Todos los que pasamos por ahí nos enfermamos. Ver a mi hijo durmiendo en el suelo y a sentirme culpable, nunca pensé que me iba a tocar vivir eso.
Ahorita nos dieron una cena como de reyes, pues era ahí costilla de cerdo, muy rico, decíamos ya tanto tiempo no comer arroz o frijolitos con carne. Mi familia ha sido azotada mucho por la violencia. Me vine acá a aventurar con mi niña pequeña de 4 añitos. En Honduras dejé mi papá, mi mamá, son personas de la tercera edad, y dejé 2 hijas más.
En mi país era enfermera, trabajaba para un hospital importante. Me tocó huir porque el gobierno de Honduras tomó represalias contra mí. Aquí estoy con mi hijo de 13 años. Algunas personas nos miran con tristeza, otras nos abuchean y se enfadan.
Número 4. ¿Cuántas personas son?
2.
2, ok. I wanted to help the people out. Because when the things that I see, things that I hear from them is like, I don't like it. They go in different places. It all depends. They go to Miami, New York, Boston, Kansas City, Dallas. All depends, where the family lives. I don't know when the job will end. I'll be there until it finishes, And to be honest, I don't know what's the day. It could take a year, 2 years. I'm not sure.